In this lecture, we will start by mapping where CDMOs work in pharma industries right from early development to commercial supply. We will explore its support in formulation, scale-up, regulatory, and manufacturing processes, and how it adds value to the customer's value chain. CDMO holds a strategic position in pharmaceutical value chain. The life cycle goes from R&D to formulation, process, clinical, and commercials. CDMOs help to integrate the path and match the jigsaw puzzle in the customer's organization. It creates a single unbroken chain from discovery to delivery. Their integrated approach keeps the progress smooth, avoiding delays between development stages. The next is handoffs are reduced via single partner continuity. With one partner managing the full cycle, teams avoid data gaps and repeated onboarding. The knowledge flows seamlessly. Prediction of quality through standardized systems becomes a norm. Shared digital platforms and harmonized procedure ensure consistent outcomes and faster decision cycles via transparent governance. Regular joint reviews and common dashboards turn decisions around quickly, issues are spotted early, and the integration between CDMO partner and the customer reduces the friction. So, what are the different applications of CDMO business in pharma? One of them is formulation support. It can be in the pre-formulation journey of possibly instability, compatibility, solubility profiling, etc. The journey begins by checking how the molecule behaves in the real world. These tests reveal whether it's even viable for formulation. The next one could be dosage form design. That could be oral, injectable, or topical. Once the molecule proves stable, formulation experts design the right delivery. It could be in the form of tablet, injectable, topical, by balancing efficacy, patient comfort, and manufacturability. One more CDMO operations could be in delivery optimization in terms of bioavailability and patient centricity, which could be a CRO operations as well, which begins the fine tuning of the product, enhances bioavailability and ease of use to ensure the therapy reaches the patient effectively and fits the real world needs. Then CDMO can also engage in prototype stability and scale readiness gates. Before scaling up, CDMOs can validate prototype performance through stability and manufacturability checks, turning lab promise into production confidence. It is the good science of CDMO can help the customer to set direction in a pre-formulation stage. The next CDMO support could be obtained by the customer in process development and scale-up. It can help to translate lab methods into robust processes. Here, the precision meets the practicality of the process, and what worked in lab must work in the reactor. Then it can go further into OBD or DOE for reproducibility and control. The structure experimentation by CDMO can lock in the parameters, so result can stay consistent when volume scales. Then it can help in tech transfer packages to manufacturing sites with clear documentation and training followed by PPQ readiness and control strategies. Finally, the process performance qualification with a well-defined control strategy can help the customer to scale rapidly. Further application of CDMO could be in analytical and regulatory support. That is in terms of method development, validation for identity, purity, and potency. These are the project truth tellers. So the testing needs to be robust for every decision, be it formulation, scale up, or release. The next one is data packages for IND, NDA, ANDA submission. CDMO can help with their expertise to prepare structured audit-ready data packs for every filing stage, ensuring that regulators get complete traceable proof of the product quality and safety. It can further help in GMP readiness in terms of audits, CAPA closures, or data integrity. So the day-to-day discipline matters. Routine GMP checks, CAPA closures, and data integrity can help customers keep their compliance strong. And the regulatory correspondence and query resolution, a specialized area in the CDMO business. When agencies raise queries, CDMO can respond with transparent data, clarity, and command over the science. So ultimately, it is the compliance help from the CDMO can enable the speed for the customer. The further application of CDMO business could be in clinical and commercial manufacturing. It could be in the form of clinical trial material phase 1 to 3 with rapid change agility. Early stage work is never static. The formulas keep tweaking, doses shift, and timelines tighten. And CDMOs are capable of handling this churn gracefully. Then, commercial batches post approval with validated controls. Once the molecules makes it through approval, the focus flips on agility and consistency. The next part comes is a packaging, labeling, serialization, and distribution readiness of the product. The stability alone is not enough. Each product must travel safely through package labeling, serialization steps, and ensuring global traceability and point safety. Then it can further help into artwork and version control and material specific packs. When it comes to dozens of markets for launch with dozens of variants, that's where the tight artwork control saves time and money for the clients. A missed version could mean a full reprint or recall. So CDMOs can help to launch the product with reliability. The life cycle management and continuous improvement. So, pre-approval changes and control rigor can be maintained by CDMO. Even after launch, products don't stand still. The formulation shifts, equipment upgrades, or new sites will come live. Strong change control ensures that the document and compliance follow. Cost reduction via process innovation and yield uplift. The clients generally take quality improvement projects and cost improvement projects post-launch once the product stabilizes. So efficiency takes the spotlight. CDMOs can help in optimization and making the product cost and quality efficient. The next comes is the supply resilience, dual sourcing and risk monitoring. Saving means little if the supply fails. Creating the multiple sources for various compounds and chemicals can be generated through CDMO business and real-time performance dashboards and KPI governance. That is the key to remain connected about managing the product life cycle. So continuous improvement is continuously delivered with the use of CDMO. So how it helps? CDMOs can turn pharma R&D into reliable market supply and become an integrated partner across phases, reducing the friction with measurable KPIs, proving capability and control,